Hi friends, it's Miss Nikki. I'm going to read a book about turtles. The book is called Turtle Splash. 10 timid turtles lounging in a line. Do you see my 10 turtles? They're marching and lounging in a line. Startled by a bullfrog. See the bullfrog? Splash, there goes one turtle. Then there are 9 napping turtles. The day is growing late. A rabbit rustles in the leaves. Can you see the rabbit? Here it is. Now there are 8 lazy turtles wrestling without care. A red squirrel scampers by the log. Let's count the turtles. Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 turtles. One turtle fell into the water. Still 7 turtles. 7 sleepy turtles. Hear the crunch of sticks. Deer appear besides the shore. Can you see the deer? It's a baby deer and the mommy deer. How many deers? 2. Now there are 6 sunning turtles watching ducklings dive. The mother mallard quacks at them. Let's count the turtles, friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 turtles. Then there are 5 idle turtles lolling by the shore. Pollywogs swirl by their log. 5 turtles now? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now there are 4 drowsy turtles, quiet as can be. A butterfly flutters by. There's 4 turtles now, friends. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Leaving only 3 carefree turtles beneath a sky so blue. A chickadee chirps in a tree. Do you see the chickadee bird? There it is. And there are 3 turtles. 1, 2, third one is falling in the water. Oh no! Then there are 2 silent turtles watching the setting sun. Mosquitoes buzz above their heads. Whoa, look at those mosquitoes. Can you see them? They have white wings and black bodies. And now there are 2 turtles. 1, 2. Now there's only one lonely turtle in the fading light. Can you see the turtle? There he is. 1 turtle. He is on the branch. Splash! 10 tired turtles settle for the night. All my turtles are getting ready for nap time. They're in the water. Can you see them? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good night, sleepy turtles. The end. Goodbye, friends.